Could you tell me, who are you?
Yes, I'm Josip Turkalj. I'm working for BIOM.
I'm Aida.
Nick Thomas.
My name is Louis Taylor.
My name's Trevor Phelps.
Hi, Clara. Clara, can you tell me, why do you come here to Łódź?
Because it's nature and I think it's beautiful here.
It's a really nice way to help the birds, even with the small steps that we are making here.
Well, I came first in 2012 and I really liked coming here. I did vow to Vedran, who was organising it, that I would come back. And I did come back in 2013. And I brought another friend with me. And I've been coming back ever since, mainly for the birds and the meadow project that we started.
I was volunteering at the ESC program with BIOM. And I remember having a really nice time here in Łódź, feeling very good, physical and psychological, really in peace.
Well, it's a very nice atmosphere here, very nice, nice to meet new and interesting people in the campsite. It's always, every year it's different when we come, even though it seems to be the same, it is different.
I come to Učka to study birds because I'm a bird ringer. So I use the opportunity to come to the camp to not just further my development and understanding of the birds, but to spread what I already learned to the new generation of ringers in Croatia.
And could you tell me, what changed in your life when you started coming to Łódź?
Everything. After my first visit to Łódź, I got my ringing license. I started working on some bigger projects. I got employed here in BIOM, and yeah, lots of things happened after I came to Łódź for the first time. Like lots of life things.
Things haven't changed very much because I'm still doing conservation work in the UK. My wife did say that the year I missed coming to Łódź, I was a little bit more grumpy and not so easy to live with for the month I would usually come over. Something new and different to do, from living in a house in England to live camping in the wilds. Just something to do that is different.
I started to get more into birds. I think now I understand something about birds. I mean, still not much, but yeah. And I think, yeah. And I remember back last year I decided not to become a ringer because I thought that the benefits for the birds were not enough to justify the stress or the other possible dangers that they can go through while the process of ringing. But actually this year my mind changed because I decided, in Spain I found an incredible project about, it's a bird shelter. So I decided I would like to do the same as a life project. Since because of my family we had a really huge land, and I always wanted to use it for something, give something. And so I said, okay, if I want to rescue birds, it could be useful that I am able to ring them, so to follow their development, or to, I don't know, to be able to follow them.
At first, when I started coming to Učka, it was just in the beginning of going to university. So I wasn't even a ringer, I just came here, and this was actually the place where I fell in love with bird ringing. It was the first time I ever came close to it, and this is one of the only camps in Croatia where basically anyone can come and see what is actually happening. And I personally believe that if you don't experience it, you can't really enjoy it like in the books or seeing in the videos or things like that. But once you experience it, it really, for me personally, it gave me the boost to really focus on it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.